It's Monday morning. The weekend was full. Work, family, celebration, even a little chaos. And today, the sky is heavy and gray. I woke up feeling that post-weekend fog, a little tired, a little overwhelmed, and not sure where to start. There's work waiting, kids needing attention, messages to answer, and the house feels like a reflection of all that noise in our heads. But I've learned that when I'm overwhelmed, it's not the time to plan too much, it's the time to move. So I start small, get dressed, start the coffee, get the house moving again, let the machines do some of the work. A load of laundry here, the dishwasher running there. And then I love to start something cozy, like a loaf of bread in the bread maker. Just that smell of fresh bread makes everything feel more like home again. As I'm standing here, listening to the rain and in the middle of just getting things moving again, I just want to say, hey friend, I see you, and you're probably feeling what I'm feeling. That heavy kind of Monday after a full weekend. The dishes piled up, laundry overflowing, kids already needing things, work waiting in your inbox. And you're standing there thinking, I can't get ahead. No matter what I do, there's always more. The food gets eaten. The clothes get dirty again. The cycle keeps spinning. It can start to feel so cyclical, so mundane, that it's easy to wonder if it even matters. But I want to remind you, it does matter. You matter. And you don't have to overhaul everything to begin again. You can just start right where you are. That's what my grandma used to do. She'd get up, rain or shine, start the coffee pot, feed the chickens, talk to the cat, toss a load of laundry in, and just get moving again. She didn't wait for the perfect energy or motivation to come on. She just created it through motion. So if you're standing in the middle of the mess today, just start small. Turn on the dishwasher, start the bread maker, step outside for a minute, feel the cool air, maybe the rain on your face. It doesn't have to be long, just enough to remind yourself that you're part of something alive. Movement changes things. When we move, the house moves, the rhythm returns, and suddenly you start to notice it. The smell of baking bread, the apple butter simmering, the sound of laundry swishing. You can see and smell the fruit of your labor. You can start to remember, I am not stuck. I am capable. I can do this. The progress might be small, but it's real. 5 minutes of washing dishes or sweeping the floor might not change the world, but it changes your world. It tells your heart, see, I can move forward. And sometimes that's all the reset we need. Even when it's gray, it helps to step outside. I fed the animals, picked a few apples, let the rain hit my face. There's something about moving in the fresh air that resets your mind. We all need a little recess now and then, even the grown-ups. With the apples I picked, I started a simple apple butter. Nothing fancy, just a slow, easy way to use what I have. I love having something simmer while I clean. It reminds me that nourishment can be simple. The day keeps flowing. Cleaning, homeschooling, checking in on work. It's not perfectly balanced, but it's real life. The key is just to keep switching between those hats, mom, homemaker, business owner, without letting any of them steal your peace. At the end of a stormy Monday, I remind myself nobody does it all. But we can find purpose and beauty in the ordinary work in front of us. Sometimes the best reset is just starting where you are. A clean counter, warm bread, and a home that feels peaceful again.